How to file annual report for LLC in Connecticut. If you run a business in Connecticut, like an LLC, corporation, nonprofit, LLP, or LP, you'll likely need to file an annual report to stay in good standing. This report keeps the state updated on your company's basic info, like addresses, management team, and registered agent details. Sole proprietors and general partnerships are off the hook. They don't need to file one. The good news? It's not too complicated. You don't need to share financials, just the essentials. Business name, ID number, office and mailing addresses, email, names of officers or members, and your NAICS code. If you're a foreign entity registered outside Connecticut, you'll add that info too. You'll file your annual report online at business.ct.gov. Just log into your ct.gov account or create one, head to Services and select File Annual Report. Fill in the form, pay the fee, and you're done. If you can't file online, you'll need to request a special waiver to file by mail. LLCs must file by March 31st each year. Other businesses file by the last business day of their registration anniversary month. Example, registered on June 5th, that's due by June 30th the following year. LLCs, LPs, LLPs, $80. Non-stock corporations, $50 corporations, $150. Foreign corporations, $435. There's no late fee, but don't get too comfy. If you skip filing, the state could dissolve your business, and you might lose access to things like a certificate of good standing, something banks and lenders often require. And yes, nonprofits must file too, with the same due date and a $50 fee. If you'd rather not mess with it yourself, services like LegalZoom can file for you. Convenient, but with a service fee.